Get access to dozens of profitable strategies just like this one here for $19. Just click this link right here. Now let's get on with the video. Today, we will be revisiting a trend following strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing thousands of indicators and strategies, and I'm testing more every single day here on the channel. I've taken the information from my testing and compiled that into spreadsheets. And if you are interested in getting access to the original 1,100 plus tested indicators that took me over 3 years of testing to put together, you can get access absolutely free. Just click the link down below in the description that says 1,100 plus free indicator list here. All right, as I said, today we will be revisiting a trend following strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 668 different strategies, with 182 of them being winners. And so far, since we've been using the Nexus backtest indicator, we've tested the most recent 81 different strategies. And out of those 81 different strategies, we've been able to make every single one either more profitable than the original strategy or profitable when the original strategy wasn't. And out of those 81 different strategies, the best weekly profit from one single strategy has been $7,300. All right, as I said, today we will be revisiting a trend following strategy. And the source video's title says Best MACD Trading Strategy for Scalping, Simple and Profitable. Now, this is one that we tested before, but after going back and looking at it, there were a few things that I felt I got wrong. And so I thought maybe we would revisit it, not only to correct the mistakes, but to see how the added additions can make a difference within a strategy. And so if you're interested in the original video, this original strategy here, I won't go through the whole details here, just gloss over it very quickly. Then you can go back and watch the original video on the strategy. I'll make the title exactly the same as that original video, and I'll just add part 2 to the end to make it super easy to find. I think I can also link up in the corner to it right now as well. Anyways, so very simply what we have is, and it's not on screen, but we have a series of moving averages. We have the MACD down here, and what we're looking for is price to be trading above those moving averages. We're then looking for the MACD to drop down below the zero line. That was one of the first things that I mentioned wrong, but the original indicator that I created was getting it right. I mentioned that the MACD needed to be above the zero line. In reality, for a long trade setup, it needs to dip down below the zero line. Then we get across of the MACD and the signal line. What I didn't do as well within the code was add in the structure mentioned within the video. So what we were looking for was a series of higher highs and higher lows for a long trade setup, or lower highs and lower lows for a short trade setup. And so in this particular case, I was able to code in that structure into the indicator. And just like before, I coded all this into a simple indicator that now just gives us a green up triangle when we have a long trade setup that meets all the rules, and a red down triangle when it meets all the rules for a short trade setup. And so you can see that we get the the green triangle here for a long trade setup. And that would be our signal to enter into a long. We'd set our trade there, put our stop just right below the little pivot here, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. Put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit rather quickly. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy here. Another thing that I did was I moved this down to a 1 minute time frame, because the source video does claim that this is a scalping strategy. So a lot of people complain that I'm not going to a low enough time frame to really be actually scalping. So on the 1 minute time frame, it's what we have it set to now. Let's just go ahead and exit out of the bar replay. See here, just get price and focus. Go ahead and turn on the Nexus backtest indicator. Give it just a moment to load the results here. All right, so we have right at a 44% win rate, but we dropped the trades quite significantly. We only have 25 trades altogether. So not a huge number of trades to really base solid information off of, but over those 25 trades, it had a total profit and loss of $3,798, or a total profit and loss per week of $1,042. But it only traded over 25 days altogether, which the trade frequency was right around 1 day. So that makes sense. 25 days of trading and about 1 trade per day gets us to that 25 mark. But it was definitely better than the original strategy. Now, of course, like we normally do, played around with some of the settings, tweaked a few things, see if I couldn't get better results with the Nexus backtest indicator. Now I have this version here. So we have 57% win rate, just a little bit over 57%, 26 trades. So we gained 1 more trade. We are on the 1 minute time frame still, so it was about 25 days. But now our total profit and loss is at a gain of $12,821. Puts our total profit and loss per week at a gain of $3,560. So significantly better results with these modifications from the original and the modified original to the modified version, or I guess I should say the updated version to the now modified updated version, if that makes sense. And so all around, I'm pretty pleased with the change that the structure made, the higher highs, higher low type structure made within the strategy. I didn't love that it significantly dropped the number of trades, though. It makes it really hard to consider this to be reliable. But if you do trade this over the last 26 days, then you can see you'd have made a decent little profit. So I guess that does kind of speak for itself. Now, if you are interested in getting access to the Nexus backtest indicator, you can still do so for free. Just join my Discord down below and go to the Nexus channel, and I'll guide you on how to get the access. And now, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheet of the 1,100 plus tested indicators that took me over 3 years of testing to put together that spreadsheet, you can do so by joining the free Patreon down below in the description. But if you are interested in getting access to dozens of profitable strategies just like this one here, then you can join the $19 Patreon, which has tons of value in it. Not only do you get access to the Nexus backtest indicator, but you get access to all the indicators that I've used to create these profitable strategies. And then, of course, you get access to the strategy testing spreadsheet, which I've been tracking the testing for years now, tracking exactly which strategies are profitable and which ones aren't, as well as their win rates and links to those videos. But now with the strategies that I've used the Nexus backtest indicator on, I've also provided a layout link in that same spreadsheet, which means that once you get access to the Nexus indicator and you get access to all the indicators that I have created, when you become a patron of the channel, you can just click that one link and it'll bring up this exact layout as you see it on screen right now with the profitable settings already dialed in for you. And then from there, you can do with that what you wish. You can start forward testing it. You can start live trading it. You can play with some of the settings, or you can create your own strategies. And if all that wasn't enough value for you, I will also guide you on how exactly you can get these same results from strategies using the Nexus backtest indicator and the techniques that I've learned and created. All right, so that does it for this strategy here. What I didn't mention a moment ago is that if you are interested in getting access to the Nexus backtest indicator, you can still do so for free. Just join the Discord down below in the description. Go to the Nexus backtest channel and follow the instructions in that channel to gain access. Please don't request access through any other means. It won't be granted. Another thing that I didn't mention a moment ago is that within the spreadsheet where I track all the information regarding the strategies that I test, I've also been noting the exact settings I changed within Nexus to get to these more profitable versions. So that way you can relatively easy just plug in those settings as long as you have access to the indicators that I've created and replicate the results that I get here within the video. And also it really helps to highlight what it is that can actually make strategies profitable. I think there's a lot of confusion that people have in regards to what can or cannot turn most strategies to profitable strategies. And it again really helps to kind of highlight and teach you what those important aspects are to get to profitable strategies. And so all around, really good stuff, really simple and really helpful and insightful. So like I said, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list. Of course, the original strategy was profitable, and the more modified profitable strategy here will be notated within the spreadsheet, and we'll move on to the next video from here.